welcome to Inside My Kitchen. My name is Cathy Shyne, the Executive Chef at Tortilla Republic. I will be showing you today how to make the pork chop al pastor. We are going to make one of our favorite dish here. It's a pork chop al pastor. This is a traditional dish that was made in Mexico with a spit, and it was done with layers of pork and red onions and pineapple. And so here is my version of pork chop al pastor. And first we're going to take a pan that it's going to be very, very hot. We put the oil. Then we take the pork chop, and you want to dry it so that when you put it into the rub, it doesn't get wet, so that we can caramelize it and get a very, very nice crust to this. I created my own rub. It has piloncillo, which is a version of like brown sugar, but piloncillo has a little bit more of molasses so that it has a stronger flavor. And it has cumin and guajillo pepper, anjo chili pepper. It's got several spices to it, and salt. And so then we caramelize it, and then we put it in the oven to get a very, very nice brown color and caramelization. And then we take, this is a pineapple that it's been roasted in a little bit of brown sugar, salt and pepper. And then we have a roasted red pepper and a few asparagus. And so we're going to saute those while the pork chop is caramelizing and cooking in the oven. And then we're also using our mashed potatoes. Our mashed potatoes are made with roasted jalapeno, scallions, roasted garlic, a little bit of butter, and a touch of heavy cream. Then we are putting in our Guajillo traditional Guajillo pineapple adobo, which is traditional with our al pastor, and we're putting in our roasted jalapeno mashed potatoes. Then we put our pork chop, and the pork chop is, as you can see, it's very nice caramelized. And now we're plating a few asparagus, our pork chop, and our roasted pineapple, and red onion. And then we take some carrots and we saute them, and then we dry them for color, and some cilantro sprigs. And there's our pork chop al pastor. Thank you for coming inside my kitchen. My name is Cathy Shyne, the Executive Chef at Tortilla Republic. Hope that I've inspired you to make this wonderful dish, and hope that you can visit us soon at Tortilla Republic.